So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-mute ng stories sa ating Facebook account. But first, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Facebook app or yung ating Facebook account. Then, pagka-open guys, pumili lang kayo ng stories na gusto nyong i-mute or kung gusto nyong hindi nyo na makikita yung mga stories nila. So, for example, is ito na lang guys. I-open nyo yung stories and then tap nyo yung 3 horizontal dots na nandito sa upper right corner katulad nito. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, may lalabas dito na mute stories. So, ang gagawin nyo lang kung ayaw nyo na makita yung mga stories nitong person na to, itap nyo lang yung mute stories. And then dito, mamimili lang kayo kung hanggang kailan nyo gustong i-mute yung stories nila. So, for 24 hours, for 1 week, or until I unmute it. So, ito na lang pipiliin natin hanggang hindi natin na-unmute yung story. So, tap natin. And then mute. So, ayan guys, kapag ganyan na is mawawala na yung stories and hindi na siya mag-a-appear dito sa ating story highlight. So, hindi na natin makikita yung mga stories nila kapag nakamute na sila sa atin. So, ayan lang guys, gano'n lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-mute ng mga stories sa ating Facebook account. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.